got a fun thing delivered the other day, and that is a mini greenhouse. I don't have the space for any kind of larger greenhouse, and I had been wanting something like this for a while, or a cold frame even, just to put over my seedlings. But I like this because it has shelves and can therefore hold more seed starting trays, as well as take up less space because it's vertical. I'm going to go ahead and assemble this. I'm not going to film myself doing this because it could take a while and would be boring. Okay, here we are. It wasn't terribly difficult, but it did take me probably over an hour because some of the pieces didn't fit properly, so I had to do some jury rigging. The wood feels somewhat delicate, and I messed up and cracked some of the wood pieces. It's not a huge deal. It's still structurally okay. It was definitely my bad. I put too much pressure on the drill too fast, and I should have known better, but it is what it is. The jury rigging that I mentioned that I had to do was here on this top and bottom bar. There was already a screw installed on the piece of this frame here, but the instructions had me adding a bar to the top and bottom just below where the existing screws were, but then the other parts wouldn't fit properly and the bars really needed to go right over that area, and obviously I couldn't drill a second screw right over another one, so I had to remove the screws that were already on this piece when I unboxed it, and then position the bars over that area and then used a longer screw to join the parts together. I could have and should have probably twisted these eye-hook screws in more. I'll do that later, but it's got some latches for ventilation, which is really nice. Because the wood feels kind of soft and delicate, I want to waterproof this since it will be outside in the elements, so I am using this plant-based waterproof sealant. All right, it is all coated in that waterproof sealant, so now I just need to let it dry out really well. I do like how the sealant has made this greenhouse look. I feel like it kind of brought out the grain of the wood, and it just looks really nice, and it definitely feels more durable now, and it should hold up to inclement weather. It's the next day. I wanted to give the sealant a good 24 hours to bond to the wood, so now I'm going to move this to my backyard and get my seed starting trays inside. I got my seed starting trays in here. These are the Scilla Seedling stainless steel trays, and one fits perfectly on each shelf. There are only 2 shelves, but the third tray can just go on the ground since it is an open bottom greenhouse. Overall, so far, I really like this mini greenhouse or cold frame. It'll be great to give seeds I start in trays outdoors some more warmth to grow faster in the colder months, and when I need to pot up my tomato and pepper plants, they can be inside this greenhouse out in my backyard instead of in my house or garage, which has always made a mess and attracted fungus gnats. This particular greenhouse retails at about $111 from the website eGardenOasis.com, and even though I said the wood felt delicate, I think it's a decent value for what it is, and after waterproofing it, the wood does feel sturdier. But I'll see how well this holds up, but overall I'm happy with how it came out, and I think it will be helpful to have in my garden.